Okay, this video is on sequences and expressions. And so the table shows the number of slices of pizza for different numbers of large pizzas. So if you have one large pizza, you get 8 slices. 2, you get 16. 3, you get 24. And 4, you get 32. So you could list these numbers out here, and you're like, what's happening between each of them? So the number of slices in the table above is an example of a sequence. A sequence is a list of numbers in a specific order. Each number in the sequence is called a term of the sequence. So this is term 1, this is term 2, this is term 3, this is term 4. And there's a pattern going on between the terms of the sequence. So if you look at between 8 and 16, it's plus 8. Between 16 and 24, it's plus 8. Between 24 and 32, it's plus 8. And so you can predict what the next term would be. It'd be 40. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. And if we went to 6, it would be 48. And if we went to 7, it would be 56. And each one of these going up by 8. And it says, what is the pattern? So it's plus 8. And this sequence is called an arithmetic sequence because each term is found by adding the same number to the previous term. So it's exactly the same number to number. So identify a pattern in the arithmetic sequences and find the missing terms. So this one, what's happening between 8 and 11? It's plus 3. And then from 11 to 14 is plus 3. And from 14 to 17 is plus 3. So from 17 to the next term, it's going to be plus 3. And then plus 3. So you can fill those in. Now this one is interesting because it's minus 2. And minus 2, and minus 2, so you would keep going and keep continuing that pattern. This one is plus 12, and this one is also plus 12, but it looks a little different. And then this is, try to figure out what the rule is for this. So go ahead and fill in these boxes in your notes, and you'll be able to check them with your teacher tomorrow. You'll be able to check them with your teacher tomorrow. You have a worksheet to do now, and you're going to find the terms, the missing terms, once you find the pattern. So you just need to look at, am I adding or subtracting, and what the difference is, and include the pattern. Sometimes you're going to see them in word problems. The first place prize for a sweepstakes is $8,000. So $8,000 is the first term. And the third place prize is $2,000. And the fourth place prize is $1,000. And the fifth place prize is $500. So what's happening to each one of these? It's going in half. So the second place prize would be $4,000, would fit in there. Because this is divided by 2, this is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. So go ahead and do your worksheet for homework.